Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sasriyakal. Welcome to Spice Box. Today we are going to make Chicken Hakka Noodles, perfect for your lunch, dinner, and weekend cravings. Let's begin the recipe. Take 230 gram of chicken. We are going to add half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce. Two tablespoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix well and rest for 15 minutes. And add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix all together and keep it for rest. This makes the chicken soft and juicy. Now turn on the flame. Take one wok. Add 2 tablespoons of refined cooking oil. Now it's time to drop our marinated chicken. Slowly we are going to drop our chicken. Be careful in this process. Gently, one by one, we are going to drop our chicken. And make sure don't overload it. If you have huge quantity, fry it in 2 batches. With the help of one skewer, I am going to flip the chicken one by one. Cook both sides of chicken evenly. On low flame, cook the chicken for 5 minutes. Almost our chicken is done. Now it's time to take out our chicken. Our chicken is ready. Now turn on the flame. Place one kadai on high flame. We are going to add 2 cups of refined cooking oil. Here I am using cold pressed oil. Take 8 to 10 cloves of finely chopped garlic. And 1 inch of ginger. Together we are going to saute for few minutes. On high flame. And I have taken 2 large size of onions. Take whatever veggies you have. Here in this recipe I have taken onions and carrots. Take whatever veggies you prefer, you love. On high flame we are going to fry our veggies. Keep on stirring. For a few minutes until our onion turns pinkish in color. Now I am going to add 2 small size of carrots julienned. Keep on stirring on high flame. Cover with lid for 2 minutes. Remove the lid. Almost our veggies are done. Keep on stirring. Now we are going to add our sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, one tablespoon of green chili sauce. Make sure while adding sauces, keep the flame low. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Keep on stirring on low flame. 1 tablespoon of sugar, as it enhances the flavor of noodles. Finally, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add salt according to your taste. And at last we are going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. In low flame, we are tossing the veggies along with our sauces. Finally, it's time to add our boiled Hakka noodles. Boil 200 gram of Hakka noodles in water with salt along with 1 tablespoon of oil for 15 minutes. Drain and keep aside. Immediately after draining, we have to give cold bath with cold water, as it helps in remove the stickiness of noodles. You can easily get Hakka noodles in any grocery stores. I have taken Hakka noodles for this recipe. Keep on stirring on high flame for a few minutes. And toss it. And finally, I am going to drop our fried chicken. This is the hero of the dish. Keep on mixing all together. Give the final toss. And our chicken hakka noodles are ready. Hot, smoky, and absolutely delicious, isn't it? Looking lovely. Finally, I'm going to add olive oil as it enhances the flavor of noodles. Give it final mix. Now it's time to serve our hot, smoky, and absolutely delicious noodles are ready to enjoy with your family, friends, and colleagues. Isn't it looking lovely? If you love this recipe, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my recipe. Enjoy! Bye bye!